It's a big piece, Save. We made this our own. Xavier, how's that?
Really cool.
This is the biggest table yet in the restaurant history. Asian chow. So big, Save. But look how many. It's just our entire family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 members. We made this restaurant our own dinner tables. How's that? The restaurant. This is all the seats of the restaurant. We will have a birthday party here too. They prepared so much here.
You want noodles?
Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
This was pre-ordered, man. So that means we got food immediately. Ha, right? After we. This is our third visit, Save. Right. Third visit here. Our first visit was this is dirty. I don't want it. This is yours. Wait, or is dad's the whole your whole is on
Save it.
that? Ayoko? Ayoko.
Oh, wait. I will have this one and one. Wait, is that all? Was that? Oh.
Yeah, Papa's 74 now. He was born 1950. Waiting for more years to come, he said. Oh, that's my favorite. Asian Chow. Credit to the music.
Ah.
We haven't, we haven't made a vlog for months.
Yeah. It's been really long, guys.
Is that?
Oh,
Ayoko yan. Because I don't want the.
yeah, it's all the same.
Oh,
Again.
I
Oh, wait. Not this though.
don't. This is Peking duck.
Oh, wait. Is this
We
Peking
got-
duck? No. This is chicken, I think.
There's an onion. There's a donut. There's a citrus. This Here.
Yeah, all the same food that we ate on the first vlog, except for this. Besides that, yeah, it's all the same. Hey. Look at that. Meat and the veggies, along with the fried rice. It tasted really good. Oh. Yeah, let's just taste the chicken. For the pause, Mom showed you. Yeah, this one was shown as I pause it. So yeah. Anyway, let's taste the chicken. I kind of taste alcohol. I don't know why. Maybe the chicken was cooked in alcohol. Alright, let's also taste the barbecue. Mm. Pretty good. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah, really good. Yeah, it's our grandpa's birthday. There he is. Yeah. Nothing to say anymore. So I'll eat now. Bye.
The gravy was spicy, babe. Is it spicy?
One, two, three. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hopefully don't.
Picture niya may mga pusa dito. Oy, kayo pa. At the back of Papa.
It's orange, it means it's spicy. And guys, spoiler alert, there's a karaoke machine. Let's check out the show. Now they are around. This turned from a regular restaurant to a birthday party. Birthday.
Kuya.
Magkasama na daw.
Hindi kayo.
Kayo muna mamaya, lang yung dalawa kayo.
Mamaya na.
Kayo muna makanak.
Yan ah. Yan ah.
7:21.
Giti.
Palungin mo dito. Dito tingin. May ulo mo lapit kay Lolo. Kay Daddy.
Oh no.
Lang Moses. Squirt lang mo. Mali, pag
Oh, yung kamay nakaganon kay Lolo,
Henry.
yan. Look, tapos medyo babalang mo ng ulo. Yan,
okay.
Oh.
Okay, look ako dito.
Oh no.
Di ba?
Cherish the moment because yeah, respect your grandparents always because someday you'll cry.
Upo ka dito, Verde.
They're gone.
Yan.
Ito ba yan?
Yan, sinasabi.
Iyak.
Family first.
Yan.
Okay.
One more. Yun no? Professional no?
Kaming antigo. Antigo.
Save your legend. Thank you so much.
Survivors. Kami nga, Verde.
Nga pala.
Cake. I don't know if they'll eat it, Miss.
Yun no?
Dito lang.
One more.
Sige, doon mo lang.
Para pag boyfriend ha. Hindi sila po muna. Sila po muna. Kayo.
Lahat na tayo.
Family kayo.
Ah, meron naman tayong mga ano.
Hindi kayo pa.
Paano lahat?
Kapatid.
The employees are here just because
Katrabaho.
you've never seen this before. You've never seen a birthday. This could be our longest stay ever. It'll last for another 5 years.
Magpareho mag-Facebook na kami. Kanila chiko. Napapagul kasi gusto ko po.
Upo ka dito. Verde. Upo ka dito.
Para balas.
Para ba
yeah, it's finished. Yeah.
Gusto ko yun si, ano,
Okay.
Where's Gen Z? Where's Gen Z?
The current generation.
Gen X.
The older generation. Oh, taking a picture again.
tayo na naman dito eh.
Perfect. So here's the dragon tomorrow. Yeah, see. Yeah. The dragon is in a few hours. Chinese New Year. Look how big. It's like this is all of the chairs and tables of this restaurant mixed together. And the only chair with that because it's the throne. The birthday boy needs to be in the middle. The Brian 9, 1950.
Ito. Wait lang, host to you. Okay, looking, 3, 2, 1. One more. Wait lang.
Great luck.
Tapos pag ano eh.
That will never end. Hopefully we'll be here for another hour. We're going to be here for the next hour. Until this store closes. No persons allowed here. They dubbed it as closed. They dubbed it as yeah, they dubbed it as closed. He's gonna eat it. We're gonna go home, unfortunately. It ended so early, man. Or not. We didn't unbox the gift.
Yeah, it's gonna be a wrap.
I know where some more sites.
Kami po hindi na. Kayo? Hindi po, naglalakad lang po kami. Lalakad kayo? Mas gusto ko.
Dang. You nearly hopped in the car.
Dito lang naman siya.
So can you bike that fast? Look at this. This crowded place turned empty. Shoot. That's creepy. Look at this. Wow, I don't think there's a curfew here. I'm gonna ride here. Are you gonna film yourself walking again?
Maybe.
There's Chinese, the Japanese thing. Okay, perfect. How's that? We chose the perfect restaurant. Tomorrow's Chinese New Year. And we ate at a Chinese restaurant. This restaurant's not even strong. Yeah, today's a holiday.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we're gonna walk while my brother's at the car, you know. Yeah. All right. we're gonna walk now. This walk will be this. I think this part will be shortened since you guys already saw the entire walk, you know, sped up in the first vlog. So there'll be some long pauses, I guess. Actually, I think I'm gonna have to skip straight to the part where we go home. But I did leave in one part before we went home. It's been over a year now since I bought this from here, the shoe corner, which I often mistake as the shoe center. Alright. We are here now, guys. Yup, back home. And that's where I immediately end this video here. Or vlog. Oh, look at him. Look at the dog go. Alright, bye. Ooh.